When you find a way to connect to citizens, which happen to be the heartbeat of every city, you actually can manage or control the outcome of every human occurrence. You can actually react to issues that are important to a city. You can actually build a direct line of communication that change the way a city communicates to their citizens, the way a city resolves issues, and the way a city will become more efficient and sustainable by reacting to the people that live there. When you talk about citizen engagement, it's a very large subject. We've taken a very unique perspective in how we would build a unified hardware and software solution that would create a citizen mobility experience. Now, there's a big difference here. When we talk about citizen engagement, it's the actual occurrence. It's what happened when the technology was deployed. Our citizen mobility experience is the actual software that puts all of these pieces of hardware together to build the actual reaction. So if you can think about someone walking down the street, we hear a gunshot, police are dispatched, the bus stops moving in that direction, your mobile phone lights up with alerts, the digital screens tell you what's going on, and data is collected that tells you what happened where so you can apply more policing in that area. That's the citizen mobility experience, managing all of those transactions. We'll be able to create citizen engagement by leveraging our citizen mobility experience across infrastructure to change the way people will live and the way technology will react to people in those cities. Citizen engagement is an actual pillar within the smart city space. When you look at safety within a smart city, you look at environmental, citizen engagement should be the core. And the fact that Civic Smartscape is actually leveraging citizen engagement to initiate every new technology that's developed is very unique. Because that means if we focus on the people, the citizens, we can deploy and layer new technologies over it. Now we can apply safety services where people are connected. We can apply transit services where people are connected. City 311, a direct dialogue with the mayor and the city to connect people, to tell them what's going on and where not to go and maybe where to go. So all of that happens once you have the citizens' attention and you build a technology that they can rely on, that's responsive to them, that reacts to them. Now that's the key. So if we can actually build a technology that actually captures the citizen and improves their way of living, we can layer on additional services that will change the way a city works and make them more sustainable. I've had several conversations with mayors across the country, and they're all saying the same thing. I need a technology that will react to people. So they're saying, if you're going to do something, please make sure that it actually produces results that change the way we live. And one of the ways that will occur is if we can actually deploy, like Civic is doing today, technology that will grow and will layer connected to people. So if we can do that, I think cities and mayors across the country will see an improvement in the way people live with this new technology.